Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tablet keyboard cases, specifically focusing on how they can boost your productivity. If you're someone who uses a tablet for work, school, or even just a lot of typing, then stick around. This review is for you. First off, why even bother with a keyboard case? Well, let's be honest, typing on a touchscreen can be a pain. It's slow, prone to errors, and not ideal for long writing sessions. A keyboard case transforms your tablet into something closer to a laptop, making it easier and more comfortable to get things done. So, what should you look for when choosing a tablet keyboard case for Several factors come into play. Firstly, keyboard quality. The feel of the keys is crucial. Look for cases with well-spaced keys that offer a satisfying tactile response. Membrane keyboards are common, but mechanical keyboards, while less common, offer a superior typing experience. Consider the key travel the distance the keys move when pressed. More key travel generally means a more comfortable typing experience. Backlighting is also a great feature, especially if you often work in low-light environments. Next up, build quality and design. A good keyboard case should protect your tablet from bumps and scratches. Look for durable materials like hard plastic or aluminum. The case should fit your tablet snugly and provide easy access to ports and buttons. The design should also be practical. Does it offer different viewing angles? Is it easy to set up and take down? Does it have a good trackpad if it comes with one? Then, connectivity and battery life are important. Most keyboard cases connect via Bluetooth, so make sure the case is compatible with your tablet's Bluetooth version. Battery life is also a key consideration. Check how long the keyboard can last on a single charge. Some cases offer weeks of use, while others might need charging more frequently. A built-in battery indicator is also a handy feature. Finally, think about additional features. Some keyboard cases come with a built-in trackpad, which can significantly enhance your productivity, allowing for more precise cursor control. Others have stylus holders for easy access. Consider what features will best suit your needs. Now, let's talk about some specific examples. There are numerous tablet keyboard cases on the market, ranging in price and features. Some popular brands include Logitech, Apple, and Brydge. Researching different models and reading reviews is essential. Pay attention to user feedback about key feel, build quality, and battery life. When evaluating a case, consider how it aligns with your workflow. For writers and note-takers, keyboard comfort is paramount. Professionals might prioritize a sturdy build and all the trackpad support. Students might appreciate the balance between portability and functionality. Ultimately, the best tablet keyboard case for productivity is the one that meets your specific needs and preferences. Consider the factors we discussed, research different models, and read reviews before making your decision. A good keyboard case can significantly boost your tablet's usefulness, transforming it into a powerful productivity tool. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tablet keyboard cases, specifically focusing on how they can boost your productivity. Are you tired of tapping away on that on-screen keyboard? Let's see if a physical keyboard can change the game. First up, why even bother with a keyboard case? Well, it's all about efficiency. Typing on a physical keyboard is generally faster and more accurate than using a touchscreen. This is especially true for tasks like writing emails, creating documents, or taking notes. The tactile feedback of the keys and the ability to type without looking down can significantly speed up your workflow. There are many different types of tablet keyboard cases available. Some cases are designed to be slim and lightweight, focusing on portability. These are great if you're always on the go. Others are more rugged, offering extra protection for your tablet. These are ideal for those who work in more demanding environments or are prone to accidental drops. When choosing a keyboard case, consider a few key features. The keyboard layout is important. Make sure it has the standard keys you need, like function keys arrow keys, and a comfortable layout. The key travel, or the distance. The keys move when pressed, affects the typing feel. Look for a case with keys that have a decent amount of travel. Connectivity is another factor. Most keyboard cases connect via Bluetooth, but some offer a wired connection. Bluetooth is convenient, but make sure the case has a stable connection. And good battery life. Think about the case's build quality. Does it feel sturdy and well made? Does it offer good protection for your tablet? Consider the materials used. Some cases use high-quality plastics or aluminum for durability. Also, check the battery life of the keyboard. You don't want to be constantly charging it. Look for cases that offer weeks or even months of battery life on a single charge. Now, let's talk about the specific benefits for productivity. A keyboard case transforms your tablet into a mini laptop. This makes it easier to work on the go, whether you're at a coffee shop, on a train, or in a meeting. You can quickly and easily create documents, edit spreadsheets, and manage your emails. The ability to multitask is also improved. You can have multiple apps open at once and switch between them quickly and efficiently. A keyboard case can also improve your posture. Using a tablet without a keyboard often leads to hunching over and looking down at the screen. With a keyboard case, you can position the tablet at a more comfortable viewing angle, reducing strain on your neck and back. Plus, many keyboard cases have built-in trackpads or offer support for a mouse, providing even more flexibility and control. So, is a tablet keyboard case worth it? For many, the answer is yes, if you use your tablet for work or other productivity-related tasks. A keyboard case can be a game changer. It can significantly improve your typing speed, accuracy, and overall workflow. It can also make your tablet more versatile and comfortable to use. Consider your needs and choose a case that best suits your lifestyle and how you use your tablet. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!